A is for aunt. A is for ant. B is for bus. B is for bus. C is for cup. C is for cup. D is for duck. D is for duck. E is for eye. E is for eye. F is for fan. F is for fan. G is for grapes. G is for grapes. H is for hen. H is for hen. I is for ink. I is for ink. J is for jam. J is for jam. K is for key. K is for key. L is for lamp. Ho. M is for moon. M is for moon. N is for nose. N is for nose. O is for owl. O is for owl. P is for pen. P is for pen. Q is for quilt. Q is for quilt. R is for ring. R is for ring. S is for star. S is for star. T is for tree. T is for tree. U is for urn. U is for urn. V is for vase. V is for vase. W is for wheel. W is for wheel. X is for xylophone. X is for xylophone. Y is for yogurt. Y is for yogurt. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra.